What's your address again?
2103
2103
31st
Avenue
West.
Ave West. Date is July 2nd, 2021. Making this recording from the toilet flange here in the basement of the home. Had to pull a toilet to get access to the sewer. Unclog this line. We're now 100-some feet down the line in a shared section with the neighbor. It's a 6-inch diameter sewer line, concrete, seam about every 2 feet. So seam there, seam there. You see these seams as we come back. It's different chunks of pipe. There is a branch arm connection on the left side. Could be one of the downspouts coming off the house or the neighbor's house. This is a complicated sewer line. We could spend many hours trying to pinpoint where everything is. But I've located where the clog was caused, and that's the spot we're going to focus on for now. So all this is old. I mean, it's been in the ground for a long time, but it's all still functioning. It's all intact. It's a straight section, so straight sections tend to have less problems. There's a turn right there. That's where you're jumping into a shared section with the neighbor. So the pipe diameter is 6-inch there.
And that section is fine?
Yeah, that section looks okay to me. Can you grab a wax ring, please, buddy? Yes, sir. Thank you. Another branch arm connection on the left side of the pipe there.
How deep are we?
How deep?
Like how long is the cable in right
Oh,
now?
we're right outside now. This is that spot we've already seen. So this is the problem spot.
Okay.
So the sewage is coming out of the house. Let's see.
I didn't see the red pipe that we saw last time.
I know, he didn't either. So the sewage coming out here. We're going to clear some more of this. Comes down. Outside it has a short section of concrete with a branch arm connection. Goes to the plastic, somebody's replaced. And at that plastic turn is this big lip. And that's the lip that's causing the problem.
And this is at...
What's that? And that's a spot outside there with that flag.
That's like 12 feet from this location?
Yep.
What's the branch before we reach that point?
Could be one of those downspouts outside.
Not from our neighbor?
No. No, because you don't tie into the neighbor for a few more feet down. I'll locate this spot real quick, and then we'll be done. Having a tough time getting back around that turn, but that's okay. Alright, excuse me.
How about this shower joint?
Oh,
Can we use like some kind of hand thing?
Well, run another snake? You want to pay another $100-something bucks?
No.
See if I can just get let's see if we can just get it to go down. You got a plunger handy?
Yeah, not this kind of plunger.
The regular plunger's fine. Whatever you got.
It's the kind of plastic one. They asked me last time as well. I don't think it will work.
I got one. Okay, I'll be right back. Make sure that doesn't overflow. He's grabbing a plunger. But I want to fill it up a little bit, though.
Okay.
Not my keys.
I might have a snake myself. Very good. Oh, perfect. I need one of those at home.
Huh?
Yeah, I also have this in case you need it.
Oh, no, we're good. See, those things back up, they're connected to your sewer, so when that backed up, all the solids went to the top and just clogged it. It was a real soft clog.
You got it too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's possible to put a camera through that hole and see if there's any additional...
It doesn't go through there because there's a trap right there underneath there. Same thing that's on this under a sink, a U, like a U joint.
Yeah.
The camera won't go through there.
How do we tell this is completely unclogged there?
Oops. So the water's going down. I can see it going down in the sewer. I mean, if it wasn't unclogged, it wouldn't be going down.
Perfect.
Alright. I'm going to pull this out.